Hi, my name's Rob. Welcome to my channel, Our Amazing Woodwork. In our videos we'll try and share with you tips and tricks of new things that we learn along the way on anything to do with woodwork. Follow along with us. We upload videos on Fridays twice a month. So this is where I left you last time. I'd carved most of the bowl of the spoon out and a little bit of the leaf, but I hadn't done anything really much to the handle. And there was things I wanted to finish off, so I used a spoke shave, which is the first time I've done this on a spoon for some of this work. And the hardest thing about the whole thing was probably being able to clamp it firmly enough. You'll see me keep changing position and trying out different ways of holding it, and that was probably the most difficult thing. The leaf, I've never carved a leaf before, so it was going to be interesting to see what happened. So rather than me talk over the whole thing, I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy. So I'm just trying to sand out some of the lines that I've cut in here to make them a little less obvious. This is just with 400 grit. Okay, so I'm going to go in now and just paint that. But I'm only going to paint it probably down to about there. So I've just finished sanding this off now. I've just gone down to 400 grit, and this is the sort of the end result. I've tried to get that to look as much like a leaf as I can. Looks a bit like a snake like that, but could be better probably, but maybe it's okay for a first attempt. Okay, so this is milk paint. It comes in a great variety of colours. So part of the description is it contains just milk protein, lime and natural earth or mineral pigments, making it eco-friendly, non-toxic, VOC-free, food safe and biodegradable. Loved by woodworkers, furniture restorers and upcyclers, it's used as an authentic period finish on restored or reproduction furniture or other wood objects. So it's mixed here in a 1-to-1 quantity. It's the first time I've ever used it. It can be, I think it probably could have been thinner. So you can oil over the top of it as well, or put other finishes over the top of it. And so this is how I mixed it up and painted it on. So the next thing was to oil the rest of the spoon. So I got this is cutting board oil, which I bought off of Amazon. So it's basically mineral oil, which is food safe. And I applied a couple of coats of that. The wood seemed to take it really well. It did change the colour of it and make bits of it darker, but it's for the protection of the wood. So I bought that bottle, and I bought a conditioning oil for cutting boards as well, and I also bought a really nice beeswax and walnut oil. So if you're gonna use these products on these and sell them, then you just need to be careful that people who buy them know that there is a nut product on them, in case they're allergic to nuts. So part of the purpose of this video was to demonstrate that you could do this without any real sophisticated tools, just simple hand tools. There's the finished product. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty pleased with it. So the only things that I used my lathe on were the two middle spoons. Everything else has been cut by hand with hand tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.